I'm Jennifer St. Jean. I'm the daughter of Patch McLaughlin. He helped me with financing for my car. He went to Big Three to get me this car, and it was in a severe accident. We were never told, and the financing was marked up. The months were marked up, so the payments were the same. We continued to pay until they were arrested, and now we have the bailiffs at our door harassing my father that's ill, 73 years old, and scared now to answer his door or his phone.
So this has been a huge hardship on you and your family. Your dad was trying to help you out through some tough times.
Correct. I was going through a divorce at the time.
And how do you feel today?
Sick to my stomach over the fact that they can threaten my father that he's going to be sued. And I did everything I could to make sure the payments were always made so it wouldn't affect his credit, because he was nice enough to help me out because I have 3 boys.
And now looking forward, what are we going to do?
I don't know where to turn. I've got a hold of a lawyer, and he's dealing with the finance companies, Carfinco and Scotia Advantage, and their lawyers, because they refuse to call the bailiffs off.